In this video, let us look at the difference between CountIf and CountIfs function in Google Sheets. So both are pretty similar function. There is just one difference. So in the CountIf, what we do is that the first parameter is the range and second parameter is the criteria or the condition. For example, over here, what we are doing is we are counting the cells from C30 to F30, but we are counting only those cells from this range where the value is greater than 0. So this second parameter tells what condition should be used to filter the cells, okay, or count the cells. So here the answer is coming 2 because in this particular range C30 to F30 there are two numbers which are greater than 0. C30 to F30, C30 to F30. So you can see that there are two positive numbers there. Now let us look at this CountIfs function. So CountIfs functions, what happens is that you can have multiple criterias. So in the CountIf we can have just one criteria as the second parameter, but in CountIfs we can have multiple criterias. So here in the CountIfs, the first parameter is the range and the second parameter is the criteria one, third parameter is the criteria two, so on and so forth. So in this particular instance, the first criteria that we have given is that we have to find the positive numbers, and second criteria that we have given is that the year should be 2021 as well. And there is just one number where year is 2021 and value is also positive. That's it. That is the difference between CountIf and CountIfs. So in CountIfs we have multiple criteria. That's it. Thanks for watching.